सत्य, धैर्य और अहिंसा से धरती को वापस हरा भरा और सुंदर बनाएंगे। We promise to shape the earth with patience, peace and love.
अरे बच्चों, याद रखो, धैर्य से ही धरती संवरती है। जैसे बीज बोते समय हमें फल के लिए प्रतीक्षा करनी पड़ती है, वैसे ही धरती को बचाने के लिए हमें प्रेम और धैर्य की जरूरत है। याद रखो, सत्य, प्रेम और धैर्य ही हमें सच्ची जीत दिला सकते हैं। तो आओ मेरे साथियों, चलो मिलकर सृष्टि को हरा भरा और साफ बनाते हैं। तो आओ सारे भगवान की प्रार्थना करें।
The youth of our country. Through the teachings of Gandhiji, we all should learn that strength does not come from physical capacity. It comes from an indomitable will.
Peace cannot be kept by force. It can be achieved by understanding. Happiness is when what you think and what you do in harmony.
Life is the 10% of what happens to you and 90% of how you respond to it. What we practice daily is what we build a life for. So practice peace, love and kindness. Thank you. What better way to celebrate Bapu's legacy than through poetry?
Now, we would like to call Sivak and Advita to present beautiful poems. Advita will be presenting a self-composed poem.
Kindness is simple, not loud or grand. A helping word, a steady hand. Peace doesn't come from any words, but by opening hearts. It lives in moments we choose to care, and listening more and being friendly. Kindness isn't near, it's ultraviolet, quiet, but it stains everything. Peace hums in deep heartbeats, in cities that sleep, just presence like moonlight in dark night.
चलो हम सब मिलकर शांति में विश्व का सृजन करें। लड़ाई फसाद जंग भुलाकर, भेदभाव और जात पात भुलाकर, सभ्य समाज के बीच परस्पर हृदय में बोले द्वेष, क्लेश, द्वंद्व, भ्रष्टाचार, इन सभी को नष्ट करके एक सुंदर इंसान बन जाए। तेरा मेरा सब भुलाकर इंसानियत का पाठ पढ़ाएं। चलो हम सब मिलकर शांतिमय विश्व का सृजन करें।
Gandhiji's values are a guidebook of life. Let's now take a pledge to try and live by his principles.
I invite Gurbani and Rahmat to please come forward and lead us in the pledge.
You to stand up in the pledge position. We pledge to be kindful, truthful, and peaceful. We pledge to take care of our earth. We pledge to walk on Gandhiji's path of peace. Thank you.